Welcome to this tutorial on Delta Executor, your ultimate tool for enhancing your Roblox experience. Today, we'll explore its exciting features and how to set it up on your Windows PC. Before we start downloading, let's check the system requirements to ensure Delta Executor runs smoothly on your machine. Head over to the official Delta Executor website. Click on the download button, and let's get the file ready. To ensure a smooth installation, we may need to temporarily disable your antivirus software. Here's how to do that safely. Now, let's go through the installation process. Follow the prompts on your screen, and you'll have Delta Executor running in no time. Once installation is complete, let's optimize Delta Executor settings for the best performance while playing Roblox. Here's how to load scripts and execute them using Delta Executor. It's straightforward and enhances your gaming experience. Use Delta Executor wisely. Here are some tips to keep your account safe and avoid any potential bans while using the tool. Encountered issues during installation? Let's troubleshoot some common problems to get you back in the game. And that's a wrap. You've successfully downloaded and installed Delta Executor. Enjoy your enhanced Roblox experience, but always play fair.